More than two-thirds of the Earth's surface is occupied by seas and oceans. Heated by the sunshine, the temperature of water varies with locations and depth. On the other hand, its composition and thereof its salinity is remarkably constant in a given sea, while showing some variations from one sea to another. In marine environment, the cradle of life, under the open ocean surface, which is neither flat as the ancient believed, nor really round, and multitude of organisms live in conditions very different from those known on Earth, and constitute an amazing biodiversity. What are the major sources of marine pollution and its impacts, hazards to human, animals, and shipping industry? Pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is any inconvenience or damage caused by human activities to humans, plants, animals, and to our environment as a whole by spreading compound air, water, or land. Land-based sources. Byproducts of industry. Runoff from agricultural pesticides and herbicides. Effluents discharged from urban areas. Exploration and exploitation activities. Shipping and maritime industry pollution. Grounding or accidental discharge. Operational discharge. Tank washing, ballasting or deballasting. Machinery space discharge dump. The effects of marine pollution. It blankets the surface, interfering with oxygen exchange between the sea and the atmosphere. Blankets the seabed, interfering with the growth of marine life. Elements are mostly toxic and can enter the food chain. Oil may enter seawater spilling inlets, and it may deposit on tidal mudflats, again with detrimental results. Interferes with the recreational uses of beaches. The International Convention for Prevention of Pollution from Ships, 1973 as modified by the Protocol of 1978. MARPOL 7378. MARPOL is short for International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, and 7378 is short for the years 1973 and 1978. Is one of the most important international marine environmental conventions. It was developed by the International Maritime Organization with an objective to minimize pollution of the oceans and seas, including dumping, oil, and air pollution. The original MARPOL was signed in February 17, 1973, but did not come into force at signing date. The current convention is a combination of 1973 Convention and 1978 Protocol, which entered into force in October 2, 1983. As of January 2018, 156 states are parties to the convention, being flag states of 99.42% of the world shipping tonnage. All ships flagged under countries that are signatories to MARPOL are subject to its requirements, regardless of what their sail, and member nations are responsible for vessels registered on their nation ships registry. These are the 6 annexes. Annex 1, Prevention of Pollution by Oil. Entry into force October 2, 1983. Annex 2, Control of Pollution by Noxious Liquid Substances in Bulk. Entry into force October 2, 1983. Annex 3, Prevention of Pollution by Harmful Substances carried by sea in package form. Entry into force is July 1, 1992. Annex 4, Pollution by Sewage from Ships. Entry into force is September 27, 2003. Annex 5, Pollution by Garbage from Ships. Entry into force is December 31, 1988. And last, Annex 6, Prevention of Air Pollution from Ships. Entry force is May 19, 2005. So that's all. Thank you.